Hello friends, today we will see in the laboratory how we prepare the stock solution for the compound that is phenol. So the phenol is also known as carbolic acid or phenolic acid or benzenol, and the formula is C₆H₅OH, and the molar mass is 94.11 gram per mole. Okay, and this is also called as aromatic organic compound. It is white crystalline solids that is volatile, and the molecule consists of phenyl group, which is C₆H₅, bonding to a hydroxyl group, which is OH. And phenol is both a manufactured chemical and a natural substance. This is colorless to white solid when pure, and commercial product it is also available from the liquid, and it has a specific kind of odor that is sickeningly sweet and tarry. You can taste and smell phenol at levels lower than those that are associated with harmful effect, and there is a permissible limit. It evaporates more slowly than water, and a moderate amount can form a solution with water. Phenol can also catch fire, and it is also used in the manufacturing of phenolic resins and in manufacture of nylon and other synthetic fiber. Okay, here we have to make 1 molar of, or you can say 3 molar. Okay, 3 molar, we basically prepared 3 molar of phenol. So basically molarity, we all know that it means number of moles of solute per liter of solution. So to prepare a 1 molar solution, we have to add 1 formula weight of a compound to a clean 1 liter volumetric fluid. Suppose we are going to prepare 1 liter, and this is 3 molar. So now we know the formula weight is around 94.11 grams. So for making this is around 282.33 grams of phenol in 1 liter. And suppose we are doing the same thing for 100 ml, so it would be 28.23 gram of 100% pure phenol in the 1 liter of the deionized water. Suppose the purity of the phenol is 99%. So in that case the mass would be a bit different. Okay, so this would be around, which I suppose we are preparing 0.1 molar, for example. So in case of 0.1 molar, we are going to take 9.441 grams if the purity of the phenol is 100%. In case it is 99% pure, so it would be around 9.5061 grams. In today's lab, we are going to prepare 3 molar for for 3 molar of 99% pure, would be, we have to weigh around 28.518, and it is around 28.52 grams of the phenol in the 100 liter of the deionized water. So this is the calculation of the phenol, how much amount of phenol we are going to add to make 3 molar of phenol in 100 ml of the deionized water. Today's topic is to prepare the phenols, right, in water. So our solvent is what? Water. So can you show the the phenol? So this phenol is from C₆H₅, which is 99% pure. Okay, so after calculation, how much amount you have to add for 3 molar?
28.5.
Can you weigh it, please? And make sure the weighing balance area is very clean. Okay, need to tear. No, Cal, tear. No problem, just wait. Just wait. Actually, for calibrating we have to use standard weights. Okay, so there is no need to calibrate, it's already teared. So now add slowly and slowly the amount of
28.
yeah, 28.5 is too much. So can you transfer? So now try to add on this aluminum foil. First of all tear and then add. Okay, since on weighing on the paper is difficult, the amount is too much, so add. Just wait, add, keep adding. This is too much. Okay, can you make it 28.23? Remove some pinch. Yes, remove. Now add slowly and slowly. Amul water slowly and slowly, like this way. See, give it to me now. See, whatever is left should, this is I think
until 100.
Yeah, until 100. After adding the water, okay, we will shake it for at least 1 hour to 2 hours, okay, because the amount is too much. So this is 3 molar, right? We added around 20 to 28.2 based on the calculation. Can you remove this? So we will cover it, okay, and then shake it. So this is around 1000 rpm, right? I think it will dissolve. Okay, I'm just heating also a little bit. Okay, this is 3 molar, right? Subsequently we can do the calculation for 5, 7, 10, 9.